gonna work for you?
I think so.
But I'm gonna walk you after you're done.
Okay.
He knew. We've made it out here. It is, what time is it, Donnie? 2:30. It's going on 2:30. There's a bunch of people at the basketball playing over there in the
indoors.
Yeah, community center, but out here over on the track, there's just a scattering of cars and people. It's not too bad out here. It's in the low 50s, or no, it's almost 60 now. Yeah, it's almost 60, and it's not as breezy as yesterday. I'm not feeling 100%. Well, actually, I feel fine, but boy, was my nose giving me, I'm gonna let you get the bottle. Boy, was my nose giving me a run for my money this morning and yesterday morning. And I would say dealing with that, I might be a smidge lower energy, but actually being up and moving helped my head and my nose to clear up, feel less puffy. So I definitely didn't want to pass up on walking, but no weight vest today, and I'm not pushing it. We're back home, and the routine is to listen and see if the print is still going or not, and it's still going. And I don't want to show what's on there actually, because this time of year you might assume that I'm printing not everything for me. But I turned around and I smiled because Don yesterday he stuck the stars on to be cute. And then this morning he kind of laid the candy canes. They will stick on, but I've got to print the little white C brackets for it. So looking good, but I smiled because you left me a present with my candy cane, sort of giving me a feel. So I think the trees are going to have a candy cane and a few of the gingerbread people, plus the star on top. I wasn't a huge fan of the star for the wreath, but the star at the top of the Christmas tree, I'm totally digging that. This is the next project. I'm probably going to do it over 2 days. It's 980 pieces, holiday, ski slope, and cafe. You can see the little igloos in the background over here. This is a complimentary set that goes with the igloo. A lot of people in the Lego Winter Village group Christmasized this. In other words, they got rid of the pastels and they put all red and green. I'm perfectly okay with having these alternate fun colors in my Winter Village, especially if I'm going to group the friend sets with each other. So I'm not planning to change it up any. There are 7 bags total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bag 1 has 2 actual bags, and then there are these 2 big parts that aren't in a bag. There are a ton of stickers. I don't love stickers. Hi. We came home to chickens in the yard, so he got put on house arrest, and Morris thankfully settled down in the lower doghouse. Yeah, he's still in there, so that's good. I finished the first 3 bags, which built the ski slope and started the bottom of the store. Put on a couple of those cute trees and the girl on their snowboard. It's coming along nicely. There's a advertisement here for hot cocoa and a place to buy canned soda. It's a really neat soda can top, the metal tab, little stud that goes on top there, and the cash register and cookies, and maybe we're making, I guess that's the coffee maker, croissants. It's got a lot of detail. You can come over here and hang out by the fire. Sit on a wooden log. One of my projects between now and Christmas is to build this Christmas train, and I ordered the parts for the steam locomotive and coal tender, including the powered up, moving, battery, Bluetooth, the thing that makes it go. And I have just, and I'm going to work on these this year, maybe next year, who knows. But the one piece there is Santa's car with his fancy chair. And then there's the tree. And then at the very back is the caboose down here. The one on top is the original Lego set, which you can't lay your hands on because it's just that outpriced. And the bottom one is this modified set, which has lots of nifty improvements. So anyway, you're going to see a little bit of progress on that. And this is the caboose, and this is a slightly smaller platform for Santa's chair car. So I'll be working on that a little bit at a time too. But the platforms are there, and it, magnets up. The Christmas tree has a train underneath it, the Christmas tree car, and the train spins under the Christmas tree, and that's a whole hand-built separate platform, and that's for another day.